Introduction to HTML5. In this chapter, we will learn HTML, learn structure of HTML document and learn about HTML tags. Internet is an increasingly important part of everyday life for people around the world. One of the most popular services on the internet is the World Wide Web or WWW. A web page is a page containing text, image, audios, videos and links to other web pages. These pages are written using a special language called Hypertext Markup Language or HTML. The first page on any website is called a home page. A software called web browser is used to view the HTML pages. HTML is a simple scripting language to create web page. The advanced version of HTML is HTML5. Tools required to create a web page. Web browser. It is used to view and display the HTML document. Example: Opera Mini, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, etc. Next is text editor. It is used to create or compose HTML document. Example: WordPad, Notepad, etc. Web server. It is used to store HTML documents. HTML was introduced by the British computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee. The structure of HTML document. HTML document contains certain tags to inform the browser that the document is an HTML document. The HTML tags are divided into two parts, the head element and the body element. To create a web page, you will need four primary tags: HTML, head, title and body. This is a sample HTML document file. Open body tag, then close the body tag, close HTML tag. HTML tags. A tag is an HTML command that indicates the layout or display of a whole or a part of a web page. HTML elements. The contents typed along with the start tag and end tag are called HTML elements. HTML attributes. Attributes are additional parameters that tell how to display HTML elements. Creating, saving and viewing a web page. Creating a web page. To create a web page in HTML, click on Start button, choose Windows Accessories, then click on Notepad, type the program. Saving a web page, first click on File menu, then select Save option. Select All Files option from the Save As type. In the Save As dialog box, type the file name .html. Then click on Save button to save your web page. Styling. HTML5 documents with cascading style sheet. Cascading style sheet or CSS are used to define styles for web pages. Syntax of cascading style sheet. The CSS has two parts, selector and declaration. Here H1 open bracket color is to blue semicolon, font size is to 12 pixel semicolon, close the brace.
We can start with computer network. Already in the first chapter we discussed about this topic, computer network. The individual computers are connected to some powerful computers called servers. The servers store files and information in the form of website. The most popular services in the internet is World Wide Web. Network. The collection of interconnected pages that are identified by an address called Uniform Resource Locator or URL. A web page is a page containing text, images, audio, video and links to other web pages. The first page of any web page is known as home page. A software called the web browser is used to view HTML pages. A computer connected to the internet, which is also called going online. Hypertext Markup Language or HTML. The web pages are written using special language called Hypertext Markup Language or HTML. A software called web browser is used to view the HTML pages. The advanced version of HTML is HTML6. Hypertext markup language was introduced by a British computer scientist named Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. HTML is a simple scripting language to create a web page. Tools required to create a web page. First one, web browser. It is used to view and display the HTML document. Text editor. It is used to create or compose HTML document. Web server. It is used to store HTML documents. Advantages of HTML. It is easy to use and understand. It is supported on almost every browser. It is highly flexible and can be modified easily. Effective presentations can be made with all formatting effects. HTML documents can be displayed on any platform such as Windows, Linux, Unix. It is widely used and established on almost every website. HTML tags. A tag is an HTML command that indicates the layout or display of a wall or a part of a web page. It always begins with a less than symbol and ends with a greater than sign. Here you can see some examples. Container tag. A container tag is a tag that needs to be closed. A tag closed by putting a / in front of the tag name. Here you can see that closed container tag. Empty tag. Empty tag contains only on tags. They do not have off tags. Empty tags are also written in angle brackets. HTML elements. The contents typed along with the start tag and the end tag are called HTML elements. Next, HTML attributes. Attributes are additional parameters that tell how to display HTML elements. Attribute appears as an attribute name followed by an equal to sign and then its value. Creating a web page. These are the steps to create a web page in HTML. First one, click on the Start button. Choose Windows Accessories option from the All Apps button. Click on Notepad and type in the program. Saving a web page. To save a web page, click on the File menu and select Save option. Select all files from the Save As type box. In the Save As dialog box, type the name. Click on the Save button to save your web page. Viewing a web page. First, double-click on Microsoft Edge icon open in the browser. Click on the File menu and select Open option. Click on Browse option and locate the HTML file by choosing the appropriate file in which we have saved the file. Click on the Open button. Click on the OK button and the browser will be display the page. The structure of HTML document. The HTML document contains certain tags to inform the browser that the document is an HTML document. The HTML tags are divided into two parts: head element, body element. Head element. The head element starts with an open head tag and ends with a closed head tag. The element contains information about the document. The four primary tags to create a web page are HTML, head, title, body. All these tags are container tags. First one, HTML. Every HTML document begins and ends with HTML tag. Head. The head tag contains the title of the document along with general information about the document. Title. Title appears within the title tag and displays the title of the page. Body. The main content of the page is placed within the body tags.
That's all about this chapter. Thank you.